Hey guys, Tina Oakley here. I am out at Hitzman Optimist Park. It's one of Eric's and my favorite courses in Pensacola. It used to be kind of our home course when we'd stay here in the off season. Now it's a little bit further away actually, but today I'm out with a Cadet backpack. I've actually never carried one of these before. Usually I have the Trooper on me, but I wanted to test it out and kind of give you guys a review of what I like about it and don't like about it. This is my first, well actually this is my second round with it. And I'm kind of surprised how much you can fit in it. So we're gonna go play some holes, have a good time here at our little 9-hole course. Kind of hot today, but the shade is nice here. So let's check out this bag and see if I like it. Alright, let's start by talking about the straps. I think they're plenty thick for what the bag is because you're not going to be carrying like a ton of discs. And this is padded. My only complaint about like this design, it's supposed to be kind of a squishy bag. You can throw it in your travel bag and pack it really easily, but it doesn't like lay flat on your back. It kind of has this little like curve right here, and that's kind of how it sits. But I like the straps. Again, for like a lighter bag, it's really not bad at all. And then it sits kind of like on the small of my back, which is just fine. First try. Okay, so pocket-wise, there's this pocket in the front. I just put some snack bars, Tylenol, camera batteries, my phone, my wallet, stuff like that. So this is kind of nice. I'm a little bit worried about having my phone up here just because I'm a little clumsy with bags, so I might like slam it on the ground, and that might not be the best idea. So that's within this front pocket. There's 2 side pockets for water bottles and stuff, which is cool, and they're like super large. So I could fit 2 water bottles in this side, and then in this side, of course, I have snacks, an orange, sunscreen, 'cause we're in Florida, stuff like that. I have like 10 distance drivers or fairway drivers, 4 putters and 2 mids in here. I could still fit maybe 2 or 3 other discs, even some more putters. So space-wise, it's like surprisingly spacious. Oil sacks, towel, mini, chapstick. You know, anyone starting out that just needs a disc golf bag, this is perfect. It's on the more affordable side. You can still like clip things here. There's plenty of pockets and plenty of space. So if you're looking for your first bag, this is a great first bag, and just for like your quick casual rounds too. If you just want to grab a bag and you don't need to bring a ton of stuff with you, not bad. I think the bag's only $25, which is super affordable for anybody just getting into the sport, or anyone really. And then it can hold at least 17 discs. If you don't have any putters with you, you can probably even pack that. But as you can see, there's a ton of space in this main compartment. And there's like all this room up here too. Cool guys, thank you for joining me today at the course with this Cadet backpack. I'll be doing more reviews in the future too, so keep an eye out on my channel for more disc golf bag reviews. I'm gonna eat some grapes and I'll catch you in the next one.